Hello, people. This is Zippy, and welcome to my classroom. If this is the first time you're joining, most welcome. We hope that this is the kind of content that you are going to enjoy. So, today's topic is about making money. Yes, money. So, especially as a teacher, we have three main holidays in a year where you could be doing lots of stuff to supplement your income. We all know teachers are not well paid, right? So we really need to find other ways to earn money, especially during the holidays when you have time. So the first thing, which is the most common, what most people are doing, is farming. Agriculture has money. If it doesn't develop your character, you'll be fine. So please do your research, do your due diligence, get to know which are the best fertilizers to use, how long it takes for that crop to be harvested. The day-to-day care. Will you hire someone, or will you be able to take care of those plants, crops, yourself? But you also have the small ones. You can have your own tiny farm, your kitchen garden that can keep you busy and can also give you, something small, spinach kidogo here and there, like coriander, or whatever it is that you're going to plant. Okay, the other way of making money is, of course, through selling merchandise. So it's not as easy as it sounds. I remember when I first started a business, I I didn't really do my research well. So whatever item you would like to sell, I don't know, it could be clothes, could be kitchen utensils, could anything. First, get to know your market. Who exactly are you selling to? Do you already have clients, potential clients that you can see all around? So the mistake I made was I was too broad. I didn't really target one specific market, and the product I was selling, half of it got sold out very quickly, and then the rest, well, let's just say the stock is still somewhere up to now. So learn your market. Get to know, will this item actually sell well, or will it be there for a very long time and keep stressing you? It's an easy way to make money if you're going to go wherever, Kamkunji, Isili, to buy your things. If you're going to import, get to see what is the cost benefit of this. Do I actually want to do this? Is this something I will invest my time in? And of course, the most common way to make money is tuition. Be a tutor. Do your tutoring gigs on the side. It's a great side hustle. You can make a lot of money. I know people who've made just crazy amounts of money through tuition, and it really works, especially if you teach math, sciences. As a teacher, you really have no excuse not to make money during the holiday, even on weekends. Just do ask people, okay, network, find connection. Just tell somebody, hey, I tutor math. If you hear of a student who needs a math tutor, just call me, please. I would appreciate it. Do not be shy to ask, because if you don't ask, the answer is always no. Okay, so tutoring is amazing. You can make good, good money. Okay, the other way to make money that is not super common is to be a tour guide. Yes. And we have so many foreigners in our country, tourists who come, for a short time, and they all need services. And especially if, like me, if you speak a foreign language, it's super easy to be a translator on the side. And I have a very good friend of mine who even started making so much money from the tour guiding that he quit his job and is now a full-time tour guide because it's fun. It's something that this person really really enjoyed. As a teacher, tour guides get to travel, so you have a month or two for holiday, so you can go on a safari and interact with people, translate for them. You have these foreign students who just like to learn a bit for a short while and get to see Nairobi. This is a great money making venture for you. Last but not least, for today's video is what I'm currently doing: vlogging or blogging, writing, any sort of avenue for you to put out your content. And we have, teachers are the most talented people in my opinion. If you look at these professions that we have, you have art teachers, you have music teachers, you have these language teachers, drama. There's just so much creativity that you can put into a vlog, into a blog, into any form of entertainment. Let's say I paint, I can make classes online, I can show my YouTube videos, I can talk, or just what I'm doing, just talk and to give people what you have to offer, and you would earn something, a coin or two that you didn't have before. So thank you for staying here till the end of this video. Now I hope you've had an idea or two of how you can make money, but I'm sure there are so many other ways that people are making money out here on the side that you haven't talked about. I would really love to hear, to read your comments. Please share, like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'm hoping you enjoyed this. So hope this has been a lesson you won't forget. Ciao.